curly curve bracelet. Here we're using the curly curve component to make a link for a bracelet. You can turn the hand on and off. So let's adjust the curly curve. By adjusting it, you can see how everything changes. We can adjust number of links. It shows you how you can go from a curve, which is the base spiral, and we're bending it between, we're blending the curve between a line as a start and an end, and we're mirroring that line to the opposite side, and then we're piping it. So there's the curve, but we're also tapering it inside this box. So we can change the top width and length. You can see what that does. So you can come up with numerous different designs just by a base curve and adjusting it in different manners. Thank you for watching.